Hello children, today I am starting here example number 10 of exercise 2.1, that is the application of derivatives. Okay, look there, 10th example. Read the example carefully. If each side of an equilateral triangle increase at the rate of root 2 centimeter per second, find the rate of increase of its area when its sides of length 3 centimeter. Read the example carefully there. What is given here? Each side of an equilateral triangle increase at the rate of root 2 centimeter per second. Find the rate of increase of its area. Means we have to find out dA by dt of a equilateral triangle when its side of length 3 centimeter. Suppose side of the equilateral triangle is x centimeter. Okay, then what is the area of an equilateral triangle? What is the formula for that? Root 3 upon 4 side square. It is the area of an equilateral triangle. Then we have to find dA by dt when the side of an equilateral triangle increase at the rate of root 2 centimeter per second. Means it is given as a dx by dt. X is the side of an equilateral triangle. We have to write which is given here. Okay. Write down their solution. Let side of an equilateral triangle is x centimeter. Area of, or we have to write here A be the area of, comma, A be the area of an equilateral triangle. Or we can write there, let x be the side and A be the area of an equilateral triangle. In short, we have to write. Okay. Therefore, A is equal to area of an equilateral triangle is, what is the formula for that? Root 3 upon 4 side square. Okay, that is here root 3 upon 4 into x square. Then differentiate with respect to t. Okay, therefore dA by dt, which is equal to root 3 upon 4, it is a constant, keep as it is. Derivative of x square, that is a 2x dx by dt. With respect to time, here we have to write in a time t, in a time t second. Okay, here given as dx by dt, it is also given as a root 2 centimeter per second. Then we have to find dA by dt. Put the value of x is given as a 3 and dx by dt it is given as a root. Therefore, dA by dt when x is equal to 3, which is equal to root 3 upon 4 into 2, x is a 3 and dx by dt it is given as a root 2. Then fill the value and find out the answer, which is equal to, now look here, 2 to the 4, here 3 root 3 into root 2 upon 2. Simplify that, simplify, How to simplify? It is look here, 3 upon 2 as it is into root 3 into root 2, it is a root 6. Okay, it is a rate of change of or rate of increasing the area. Yes, then what is the unit of that? Area is the length side of the equilateral, it is given is in a centimeter. Therefore we have to write dA by dt, unit of that as a cm square per second. It is the answer. Okay. Then example number 11. You have to write the answer in a word as here rate of increasing area of equilateral triangle is 3 root 6 upon 2 centimeter square per second, when length of the side of triangle is given as a 3 centimeter. In a word we have to write the answer. Next example, look here student, example number 11, 12, same as it is as the previous example, but I am taking here the volume of a sphere increase at the rate of 20 centimeter cube per second. Find the rate of change of its surface area when its radius is 5 centimeter. Read the example carefully, that solution. The volume of a sphere increase at the rate of 20 centimeter cube per second, means here given as a dV by dt, right? Means we have to write V be the volume of a sphere and A be the surface area or S be the surface area, whatever maybe you have to take there, S or A, and R be the radius of a sphere, right? In short, I am writing here, let V comma R comma A be the volume comma radius and surface area of a sphere respectively. In a time t second. Okay, here given as a dV by dt, it is given as a 20 centimeter cube per second. R is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, then we have to find dA by dt when radius is a 5 centimeter. It is a question mark. Okay, then we know that here volume of the sphere V is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Volume of a sphere V is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, I think that something is given as a wrong here. Now differentiate with respect to t. Therefore dv by dt, which is equal to 4 upon 3 pi as it is. Here derivative of r cube with respect to t, it is 3 r square into dr by dt. Okay, then dv by dt, which is equal to 3 cancel, remaining as a 4 pi r square into dr by dt. Okay, put the value of here. Put the value of dv by dt. dv by dt it is given as a 20, which is equal to here 4 pi r square. It is nothing but the area of a surface area of a sphere. Yes, 4 pi r square, it is the area of a sphere. Therefore for that we have to write it is a into dr by dt. But here dr by dt it is not given. Then how to find out the value of that? Volume of a sphere increases at the rate of 20 centimeter cube per second. Find the rate of change of its surface area when its radius is 5 centimeter. Yes, it is right. Okay, otherwise we have to write here area, surface area A is equal to 4 pi r square. Yes, therefore dA by dt, which is equal to 8 pi into r into dr by dt. Okay, yes or no? Yes, look here, surface area of a sphere, it is a is equal to 4 pi r square. Here also we have to differentiate with respect to t. तो ये क्या जाएगा, dA by dt is equal to 8 pi r into dr by dt. Now I am writing here, it is equation number 1. Wait, it is equation number 2. Now look here, dA by dt, which is equal to, I am writing here 8 pi r into dr by dt. Wait, it is 4 pi r into 2 into dr by dt. Okay, therefore dA by dt, ये जो है 2, हम क्या कर देंगे, यहाँ 1/2 लिखेंगे, which is equal to dr by dt. Okay, now fill the value of this dr by dt. Okay, don't write here 2, you have to write here 2. अब इसी को क्या कर देंगे, dv by dt, which is equal to ये dr by dt की वैल्यू यहाँ फिलअप कर देंगे 4 pi r square into 1/2 into dA by dt. Now fill the value. Here you have to write by using 2. By using 2. अभी इसी में वैल्यू फिलअप कर देंगे. Therefore dV by dt, which is equal to, a 2 2s are 4, it is a 2 pi r square. Here value of r, it is given as a 25, and the square of that, it is a 25, into dA by dt, we have to find. Okay, then here dV by dt, it is given as a 20. Therefore 20, which is equal to 50 pi into dA by dt. Therefore 20 upon 50 pi, which is equal to dA by dt. Therefore dA by dt, which is equal to 0 0 cancel, it is a 2 upon 5 into 7 upon 22. Yes, now calculate there. Therefore dA by dt, which is equal to, it is a 0.4. Okay, it is a 2.8 upon 22. Then calculate there. Both are divisible by 2. Therefore it is a 1.4 upon 11. Okay, तो इसी तरह से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. Therefore dA by dt, which is equal to, it is a 1.4 upon 11 centimeter square per second. It is the answer. Then next question, example number 12. You can solve this example. The age of a cube is decreasing at the rate of 0.6 centimeter per second. Example number 12. The age of a cube is decreasing at the rate of 0.6 centimeter per second. Find the rate at which the volume is decreasing when the age of the cube is 2 centimeter. Solution. Look here, the age of a cube. देखो क्यूब इस तरह से होता है. यस, ये क्यूब है. is decreasing at the rate of 0.6 centimeter per second. Find the rate at which इसकी जो एज है वो कैसा डिक्रीज हो रही है, एट द रेट ऑफ 0.6 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड. Okay, find the rate at which the volume is decreasing, means you have to find dv by dt. H means we have to consider it is the side of a cube. Okay, the dx by dt it is given as 0.6 centimeter per second. It is a given thing. अभी वॉल्यूम किस तरह से फाइंड आउट करते हैं? वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ क्यूब v इज इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब. यस, तो थोड़ा सा सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. लेट x be, sorry, x comma v be the volume, sorry, side and volume of a cube respectively. In a time t second. Therefore, given that dx by dt it is given as 0.6 centimeter per second. Okay, here x is equal to given as 2 centimeter. We have to find dv by dt is equal to question mark. Let v is equal to x cube, differentiate with respect to t. Therefore, dv by dt which is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. Put the value here. Dv by dt which is equal to 3 into x is given as a 2, square of that, into dx by dt it is given as a 0.6, then 3 into 4 into 0.6 which is equal to 3 4s are 12, 12 into 6 72. Therefore, it is a 7.2 centimeter. It is a dv by dt, decreasing the volume, rate of decreasing the volume of the cube when age is of cube is a 2 centimeter cube per second. It is the answer. Now, example number 13, and from this example, all examples are important now. Okay. Example number 13. A man of height 2 meters. A man of height 2 meters walks at a uniform speed of 6 kilometer per hour away from a lamp post. Of 6 meters high. Find the rate at which the length of the shadow is increasing. Length of the shadow is increasing. Solution. Now look here. First up, we have to draw the figure. draw the figure. Read the example carefully. A man of height 2 meters walks at a uniform speed of 6 kilometers away from a lamp post of 6 meters high. Means, look here, man is here, okay, and it is a lamp post. यहाँ से ये कितना दिया है, 6 मीटर दिया है. यस, इट इज गिवन एज 6 मीटर. और ये मैन है, तो यहाँ मैन के लिए हम यमन डिनोट करते हैं. यस, और ये जो है लैम्प पोस्ट, इट इज ए ओ, इट इज अ लैम्प पोस्ट, या तो ओ ए कह सकते हैं. Find the rate at which the length of the shadow is increasing. ये जो मैन है उसी की शैडो. Find the rate at which the length of the shadow is increasing. ये जो शैडो है उसी का रेट फाइंड आउट करना है. रेट at which the length of the shadow is increasing. इसी की जो भी शैडो है उसी का रेट ऑफ लेंथ फाइंड आउट करना है. शैडो की इंक्रीज होने का रेट ऑफ लेंथ फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, तो ये जो है ये ग्राउंड लेवल है. ओके, तो इस तरह से हम कंप्लीट कर देंगे ये फिगर. इट इज अ मैन, यमन इज अ मैन. ये लैम्प पोस्ट है, इट इज अ लैम्प पोस्ट. ये जो है ये शैडो है उसी की, इट इज अ ओबी. Now I am considering it is a x distance and it is a y distance. Okay. Now ये OA क्या है, लैम्प पोस्ट की हाइट है, एंड यमन इट इज अ मैन, या तो उसकी हाइट कंसिडर कर दो. तो लिखेंगे लेट OA be the लैम्प पोस्ट यमन बी द, ये जो यमन है यमन बी द मैन, और ये यम बी जो है दिस यम बी, नहीं यम बी नहीं, यन बी, यन बी is equal to x be the length of shadow. And ON be the, sorry, ON, ये भी डिस्टेंस लिखेंगे ना, ON which is equal to y be the distance of the man, distance of the man and lamppost from the lamppost. Okay, at time t, at time t. अभी गिवन दैट में क्या क्या दिया है, गिवन दैट देखो, गिवन दैट में दिया है अ मैन ऑफ हाइट 2 मीटर्स, मीन्स ये mn जो दिया है वो कितना है 2 आवर्स, walk away at a uniform speed of 6 kilometer, means it is not Yemen, it is not given as a 2. A man is moving away from the lamppost at the rate of 6 kilometer per hour. Okay, x and y are the function of t. Yes, जो भी दिया है लिखेंगे. Given that man is moving away from the lamppost at the rate of 6 kilometers per hour. X and y be the functions of t. x और y क्या है? functions of t. t के functions है. Therefore dy by dt, ये जो भी दिया है dy by dt, it is given as a 6 kilometer per hour. Okay, the rate at which shadow is lengthening which is equal to dx by dt. शैडो इंक्रीज होने का रेट पूछा है. इट इज अ dx by dt, मीन्स ये जो शैडो है उसी का रेट पूछा है, dx by dt. ओके, देखो जो भी शैडो है, आई थिंक दैट ये लैम्प पोस्ट के शैडो का पूछा है. तो ये जो है टॉप ऑफ द शैडो है, इट इज द टॉप ऑफ द शैडो and it is at a distance away from x plus y from the lamp post, means yes, it is the total shadow. तो यहाँ लिखेंगे b is the top of the shadow and it is at a distance x plus y. ये शैडो है टोटली किसी की लैम्प पोस्ट की, फ्रॉम द पोस्ट. ओके, नाउ आई एम क्लीनिंग हियर. ये क्लीन कर रही है मैं. ये जो दिया है ये 2 दिया है, राइट. ये टोटली जो है ये x प्लस वाई. अभी देखो ये ट्रायंगल AOB एंड MNB, ये कैसे ट्रायंगल्स है? सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स. बोथ ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स. देयरफॉर ये x upon 2 which is equal to x plus y upon 6. Therefore 6x which is equal to 2 into x plus y. Therefore 6x which is equal to 2x plus 2y. Therefore 4x is equal to 2y. Therefore 2x is equal to y. या तो x is equal to क्या आ जाएगा y upon 2. Then differentiate with respect to t. Therefore dx by dt which is equal to 1 upon 2 into dy by dt which is equal to 1 upon 2 dy by dt. it is given as a 6, वो 6 दिया है which is equal to 3. तो dx by dt क्या आ जाएगा 3. Therefore dx by dt which is equal to 3. तो आपको क्वेश्चन जो भी पूछा है फाइंड द रेट एट विच द लेंथ ऑफ द शैडो इज इंक्रीजिंग. तो ये है लेंथ ऑफ द शैडो इज इंक्रीजिंग एट द रेट ऑफ 3 किलोमीटर पर आवर. यहाँ से थोड़े से एग्जाम्पल क्या है डिफिकल्ट है. ओके now same example of this type. Example number 14. Example number 14. A man of height 1.5 meters. In short, I am writing here walks towards lamppost of height 45 meters. 45 meters at the rate of 3 upon 4 meters per second. Find, there are two questions. Find the rate at which first question is his shadow is shortening. His shadow is shortening. And the second question is the tip of the shadow is moving. Solution. Read the example carefully and draw the picture here. A man of height 1.5 meters walks towards lamppost of height 45 meters at the rate of 3 upon 4 m per s. Find the rate at which. Okay. सेम पिछले जैसा ही पिक्चर है आपका. देखो इसी तरह से सेम फिगर है. ये लैम्प पोस्ट है, यहाँ मैन है. आई एम राइटिंग हियर यम हियर ओ ए और ये डी. ये लैम्प पोस्ट है. इट इज लैम्प पोस्ट. ओके ये मैन है, और ये शैडो, तो लिखेंगे सेम, लेट ओ ए बी द लैम्प पोस्ट, एम एन बी द man, एम बी इज इक्वल टू एक्स, ये x है और ये y है, x बी द लेंथ ऑफ शैडो, ये लेंथ ऑफ शैडो है, लेंथ ऑफ शैडो, एंड ओ एम इज इक्वल टू y बी द, ये ओ एम जो है ये डिस्टेंस है ऑफ द मैन फ्रॉम द लैम्प पोस्ट, ओ एम इज इक्वल टू y बी द distance of the man, distance of the man is man from the lamp post, मीन्स लैम्प पोस्ट और ये मैन के बीच में का डिस्टेंस है एट टाइम t, given that a man is moving towards a lamp post, जो भी दिया है क्या है, अ मैन इज मूविंग टूवर्ड्स को तो उसी की ओर जा रहा है, किसी की ओर, लैम्प पोस्ट, एट द रेट ऑफ 3/4 मीटर पर सेकंड, मीन्स 0.75 आप बोल सकते हो, कॉमा x एंड y आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ t, किसके फंक्शन है, t के, टाइम के, therefore और dy by dt it is given as 3/4, the rate at which, अभी दो आंसर फाइंड आउट करने, द रेट एट विच शैडो इज, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, शैडो इज शॉर्टनिंग, which is equal to dx by dt, dx by dt means क्या है, the rate at which shadow is shortening, ये b क्या है, b is the tip of the shadow, tip of the shadow, and it is at a distance, ये b कैसा है, कहाँ से, लैम्प पोस्ट से x प्लस y डिस्टेंस पर है, डिस्टेंस at a distance of x plus y from the post, from the lamp post, ओके। अभी जब के जैसा ही ये ट्रायंगल, बिग ट्रायंगल AOB and ट्रायंगल NMB, both are similar triangles, तो उसी पर से हम लिखेंगे, सेम एज इट इज है. देन हाउ टू राइट, थोड़ा सा इसी में लिखने का ही प्रॉब्लम है. x अपॉन, इट इज अ 1.5. ये मैन जो है उसी की ये हाइट कितनी है 1.5, विच इज इक्वल टू x प्लस वाई अपॉन, ये लैम्प पोस्ट की हाइट कितनी है, लैम्प पोस्ट हाइट इट इज अ 45 मीटर्स. ये 45 मीटर्स दिया है. ओके, 45 मीटर्स दिया है या 4.5 मीटर्स दिया है. आई थिंक दैट 4.5 मीटर्स होगा. देन therefore लुक हियर, यहाँ हम क्या कर देंगे, कैंसिल कर देंगे. 3x इज इक्वल टू x प्लस वाई, therefore 2x इज इक्वल टू y, राइट. therefore x is equal to 1 upon 2 into y. Okay, therefore dx by dt which is equal to 1 by 2 into dy by dt. Okay, then तो dy by dt आपको कितना दिया है 3 by 4 which is equal to 1 upon 2 into 3 upon 4 which is equal to, it is a 3 upon 8. क्या आ जाएगा 3/8 मीटर पर सेकंड. इट इज dx by dt means the rate at which the shadow is shortening, it is calculated as a 3/8 मीटर पर सेकंड. अभी दूसरा क्वेश्चन क्या दिए, फाइंड आउट करना है. द टिप ऑफ द शैडो इज मूविंग, the rate at which the tip of a shadow is moving, it is the second question, right. Now second answer of second, the rate at which the tip of shadow is shortening tip of shadow is shortening the tip of shadow is not a shortening, moving. The rate at which tip of shadow is moving is given by d by dx of ये x plus y का डेरिवेटिव, सॉरी नॉट x, d by dt of x plus y is equal to a dx by dt plus dy by dt. अभी dy by dt कितना है 3/4 है, it is a 3/4 and dx by dt it is a 3/8. Okay, which is equal to, the LCM is a 8, 3 as it is a 6 which is equal to 9/8 meter per second. Then write the answer. The rate at which the tip of shadow is moving is 9/8 meter per second. Write the answer there. Okay. It is the example number 14.